facing dog. And as you exhale, child's pose with toes tucked, so an active child's pose. Inhale, gaze comes forward, toes are tucked, we're pressing at plank pose. And exhale, downward facing dog, we go to the other side. Inhaling, we lift the left leg, three-legged dog, and then reaching that knee up towards the ceiling as you exhale, opening up your hips and continuing the movement, coming all the way to our wild thing. We're squeezing the glutes to press them up towards the ceiling, opening up our chest, taking a big inhale, and exhaling, dropping the glutes. We're facing the back of the mat. We extend that right leg, bring that left knee to center and twisting to look over the left shoulder. Taking a full round of breath. And then slowly releasing, turning all the way back to face the front of the mat. Hands come down.